Hi there! Today, we are going to draw a cute pair of cherries. Ready to get started? Let's go!
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Take your black marker. Draw 2 curved lines coming from the top of each cherry. They will meet in the middle to form a cute little cherry stem. And draw 2 circles next to each other. These will be our cherries. Let's give our cherries some faces. Draw 2 eyes and a big smile on each cherry. Now they look happy. Wow. To finish up, let's add some small hearts around the cherries. Our cherries are complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp with the black marker. Time to color now. It's time to color. Red color for the cherries. Pink color for hearts. Look at our lovely pair of cherries. You did a fantastic job. See you in the next video.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.